Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln of as. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have a over as ds. Because we do first the derivative of this one, as will be go to the denominator. Later that we do first the derivative of as, you got about a divided by a, we got about number 1. ds we have dv we have sine 2s ds. Now we need to do this integration, and we have v equals to negative 1 over 2 cosine 2s. So we have u multiplied by v. Next, du multiplied by v, because we have the negative sign in here. So we have positive and we have 1 over 2. And then we have the integration of cosine 2s over s ds. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2s du. We have 2 ds. Because we have s in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. So 2s we change by u. S we change by this one. ds we change by this one. Number 2 and number 2 we cancel. The integration of this one, that's about cosine integral of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about 2s. And now we return back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.